I love it.
And there's still a Monza hiding in that corner.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Fortunately.
And then there's a B50 over there.
36 Ford.
36
Yeah,
and
I
a
saw the
47.
Ford.
Might be a 48. I don't remember.
I love the grill on those. Now, is this one looks like it's been restored?
Yep, it's complete.
Yeah. I love it.
The last thing that was used for was the last time a film crew was here.
You keep it just for the film crews,
The
huh?
last time it was out of here, I drove it to my house to wash it. It's my father's car.
Yeah,
And
look
I
at
washed it, got it all set for him. Like, you're all set, take your car home. And that was 9 years ago.
I still have my first car ever. It was actually Brandon's first car ever too. And with every intention of restoring it one of these years, I am glad I've at least hung on to it.
What was it?
It's a '79 Mercury Capri,
Okay.
little fox body.
Fox body.
Oh man, look at that! I love the red rims.
You see the chassis roadster shops
That's
making
cool.
for those now?
The what?
The chassis for the Fox body platform. It is a
No.
complete bolt-on welded chassis.
Just to the bottom of the unibody?
bottom of the unibody. It's done
crazy.
with the square stock laid flat. It is
Yeah.
insane.
Wow.
You
I'll have to check
all
that out.
modern
That's pretty
suspension.
crazy.
I mean, you add the
I've got to
options you
redo
want.
all my
Well,
suspension
you add
anyway.
the options you want, and it ends up being $27,000. But it's really awesome.
Another company that actually I'd love to do a tour of is Factory 5
Yep.
Racing. I think they do some really cool stuff.
Yep.
And
So with this one, this steering column is one that we made. We used to make. It's been discontinued, but that was our use. Yeah. The steering wheel used to be ours. It was made for us.
yeah.
The column drops under there are ours. The steering U-joints are in it. The steering box, that's all our stuff.
That's cool.
Of course. Yeah.
I love it. All steel body. It's all
All
original.
steel body.
Steel and Bondo.
Yeah.
It's got a brand
What's
new.
the ratio?
No, brand new. It's got an aftermarket chassis.
Okay. Geez, your exhaust isn't even dirty yet. Look at that. I love it. Did this have what size block did this have?
Originally, I have no idea.
Yeah.
This has a Chevy 350.
Okay. Got a 350 in it. I love it.
The truck's got the old flathead in it still.
Fun stuff, man. I've never worked on one of those flatheads.
Yeah, it's still got the old flathead.
They're wedged in.
How's the wood bed in this
Joints.
one? Totally rotted? Oh, it's gone.
It's a fun car to drive.
But you don't drive it very often, it sounds
know.
like.
Again, it's my father's car. What blows me away with old stuff like this, the technology and the stuff that they did.
That's cool.
With this one,
Yep, I
front
always love the
windshield will
grill
tip
on
out.
these.
So that was your vent.
Okay.
Crank it so that you get a little bit of air.
You just got to be clever in a lot of ways.
The windows. So you want to just crack the
gotta-
window in front or to get a little bit of air. So it's original, when you crank that window down, it goes back.
Huh, it goes back
And then
before
it
it
goes
goes down.
It looks
So
like it.
it'll go up and then it goes forward.
That's interesting. So you just crank it out a little bit
So
just
yeah,
to,
if you
just
just
to
need a
crack
little
the
bit of
window.
air, you can open the front of the window
And
to
it's
get
still.
the rear window
Clever.
Oh, okay.
rolls down.
It's actually
So you can actually roll the back
Yeah.
window down.
Yeah.
Get airflow through. Because back then, there's no air conditioning.
Yeah, that's the trade-offs they make.
Yeah.
So
It was just neat
Old
stuff that they
Cincinnati,
could
they're
do.
still around.
clever and innovative.
Make them like this anymore.
I did a conversion for a
That is as solid as it gets.